You were asking a court to order them to go ahead and start recycling.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Three things. We want recycling, number one. Number two, don't let the ban go into effect. Number three, city, obey the law and implement a recycling plan.
The city did give us a partial response. They said they can't respond to the lawsuit. They haven't looked through the papers yet, but they did say these products cause real environmental harm, and by removing nearly 30,000 tons of expanded polystyrene waste from our landfills, streets, and waterways, we are taking a critical step to more sustainable New York. Quick response.
Sure. The crazy part of that is all you're doing is banning this when you could have all of this recycled. This is a small portion of the foam waste.
I read that 70 cities have already done a flat-out ban, including Albany, San Francisco, Washington, D.C. Is that kind of where things are heading?
Well, there have been bans in some cities. There has also been recycling effectively done in Los Angeles and over 60 cities in California and elsewhere in the country. And the fact of the matter is the technology is now there. The will is now there. The market is now there. Cities can make money on recycling. And what's better in the long term? Is it better in the long term to have a little bit of foam waste banned, or to have all of it recycled so that less of it ends up in landfills and cities and municipalities around this country make money? I think the clear answer, the only rational answer, the only legal answer in New York City, given what the city council did, is recycle all of it, make money off of it, and have less of it going to landfills.
We've got less than a minute. You paint a picture in your legal papers of the sanitation commissioner prepared to sort of sit down and sort of hash out a way to recycle all of this kind of stuff, then being summoned to City Hall to a private meeting with the mayor, and then coming out and saying, you know what, this isn't going to happen at all.
Well,
are you trying to sort of find out what exactly happened, and are we going to learn that in the course of this lawsuit?
Absolutely. We will be in court as early as tomorrow, asking for the city to produce documents about what really happened here and how this crazy decision got made. And to be clear, we know that there were meetings at City Hall, a meeting at City Hall in December. But we also know the mayor for a long time, going back to before he was mayor, was saying, I'm going to ban it. That's not looking at the objective evidence. And when you look at the objective evidence here, when you look at the mandate of the City Council, which was, you shall recycle, city, if economically feasible and environmentally effective, it is an economic windfall for the city to recycle, and it is environmentally effective in the best sense, because less polystyrene will end up in our landfills if we recycle.
Okay, we're gonna say goodnight for now. You can take all that stuff with you because we don't know what to do with it. We're not going to try to recycle it anyway.